Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, of course. Alright, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to, as you can see, we've got also this hand, so we have to swipe down to open the menu. So let's do it. Okay, we've got it. Do we have the timer here? Of course we've got. So as you can see, the timer is with this crossed out icon, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately applied. It is highlighted. What is more, after getting back to the camera, you can see that we've got this icon here, which is a really nice touch because you can really always check fastly whether you've got the timer set or not. You will not be surprised. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So basically this is how it works, and of course we can turn it off the same way. Just swipe down and tap on this crossed out icon. After getting back, you can see that your device will take photos immediately after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.